This is a room tour of room 736 at the Holiday Inn, downtown Sioux Falls. Here's a map. 736 is a 1 king, 1 sofa bed room. We're gonna start. There's a closet in this area with an ironing board, pillows and stuff on top. First view, we have the little hallway. We're gonna start with the bathroom. Now, the bathroom has already been used, so take that with a grain of salt. We have storage down here with a hair dryer, towel. 2 towels were here. Very nice sink. This is real. We have Dove body lotion and hand wash with a makeup remover. Backlit mirror. Shelves. There were shelves down here. This was empty. Tissues, cups, extra towels. Here's the shower. Shower comes with a shower head, obviously, really hot, works really well, and Dove bath amenities, which are pretty nice actually. Fan, the fan works great. It does not fog up the bathroom, surprisingly, with the low ceiling. It is a lower ceiling, but it's fine. It's probably a 7-foot ceiling. We had 2 sets. We had a towel and a washcloth here, and a towel and a washcloth on this side. Overall, it's a pretty good bathroom. Interesting layout. It works really well. It feels bigger than it actually is, which is good. We have shower light with a fan and vanity light. Now, main attraction here. I pulled back the covers to show you what we got here. This is the king room, and this is a fantastic room. I'll tell you why. Well, you can see why. First, fridge, microwave. These are not in every room. In fact, these are only in, I believe, select rooms. So larger size fridge. Ow. Does not have a freezer. Microwave. Keurig coffee with tea. And let's see, just random K-cups, I'm sure they have. Right here, more cups. Like I said, room 736. Bunch of drawers, a lot of drawers. Got the TV here. It is an interactive TV. You can use the Stay Connect app on your phone to control it. Here is the bed. We'll start over here. Thermostat works very well. The AC is not loud. It works great. I'll say that. It's heat only, so not auto. So if it gets to the AC won't come on in the middle of winter. You can set it to whatever you want. Works pretty well. Outlet down here. 2 outlets down there. 2 outlets on this lamp. We have a variable lighting lamp here. And a clock with a USB-C and a USB. This is very good, and it has an alarm. Very good. Probably maybe a little bit low down here, but it's there. I guess you might be able to see it. It's good to have as an alarm and a charger bedside. And a drawer here. Over here we have the bed. Now this top, which a lot of hotels can come apart, like the DoubleTree, like the Hiltons, this is one piece, and that's what I wanted to show you. It's just one comforter. Down here, while you have my iPad charging, we have 2 sheets here. It looks like. Nope, just 1 sheet. And 1 sheet here. I don't know, it's pretty good, clean. Over here we have a phone. Here's the hotel information. USB-C, USB-A, 2 outlets here and 2 outlets here. And a variable light lamp. Look at that. Another drawer here. Nice dresser. Look at this huge, for a hotel room area we have. Couch, some art. Some art up there too. I like the art. It's nice. Couch here. It pulls out. It's down there. I'm not gonna take it up, but the stuff is in the closet. Desk. Over the desk, we have another variable light lamp. Garbage down there. And now we have a balcony. Only select rooms have balconies. Not all of them. The 3 rooms on the end of the buildings on both sides. Oh. We have a lock up here. Interesting. Oh, okay. Well, it smells like Sioux Falls outside, so I don't want my room to smell. And if you've ever come here, you'll know exactly what I mean.